I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools. Install VLC or a dedicated video wallpaper app and confirm the MP4 or WebM file plays. Once done, make sure Windows 11 is updated and your GPU driver is current because smooth playback depends on that. You should close background-heavy programs to preserve CPU/GPU headroom. Now open the Wallpaper app or VLC and bypass obvious settings. Go straight to the feature that sets video as wallpaper and select your file to begin. Once the file is selected, configure playback. Set loop on and mute audio unless you want sound. That prevents sudden audio from interrupting you. Next, choose scaling to match your display aspect ratio and set performance or low power mode to reduce GPU load. If the app supports FPS limits, choose 30 or 60 according to your system. Then assign the video to the correct monitor, primary, secondary, or all displays, and preview to verify placement and cropping before applying. Apply the wallpaper and test persistence. Restart Windows once to ensure the video returns after boot. If it fails or you see a black screen, check codecs, app permissions, or whether the app needs to run at startup. Make sure it's allowed in Task Manager Startup. If stuttering occurs, reduce resolution or use a more efficient codec like H.264. Switch to a WebM file if compatibility issues persist. Finally, update the Wallpaper app or try an alternative solution if problems remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.